Okay, we are painting Brody's wall, and we bought a new contraption.
Gimmick test number 1.
We're getting rid of this ugly peacock blue color. We're going gray, but we bought a roller. And tell us about it. It's got a suction tube.
Yeah, so I guess you're able to like flip a lever here. And
it sucks paint up into the tube. I'm new to this. Yes, I'm a painter, but I'm new to it.
And then you can...
So you don't need a paint tray.
Paint tray free.
And it reaches a long way.
It comes with a little contraption.
So it comes with this little contraption that clips onto the side and goes down into the paint. Okay, go ahead, Brady. I'm ready. You put that on. I guess it pops on. It suctions on. Yeah, I don't think you're suctioned on. There you go. Now. Oh, looky there. O-M to the G. Are you kidding me? Holy camole. Wow. Wow. Are you pleased?
That's it. Yeah.
How much was that thing?
$25.
$25. Awesome.
$25.
Let's see how it works. So I hate rolling. I hate it. But if you need paint, you just twist this like a push-up pop, like a sucker. Holy cow. That is amazing.